Hey guys, so today I'm doing a smileactives unboxing and I'm really excited about this video because I'm someone who loves to drink coffee, I love to drink tea, and I've ended up brushing my teeth more throughout the day because you know that can create stains on your teeth, especially over time. So this is a teeth whitening product that I really am excited to try out. I've just seen a lot of good reviews online and especially on Instagram, and this product seems like the quickest teeth whitening solution at home that you can do yourself. I'll explain why, but let's go ahead and get into the box. So the first product that I pulled out of the box is the Power Whitening Gel, and this you just add to your toothpaste. So in your kit you're also getting a smileactives toothbrush, and all you do is apply the gel with the toothpaste onto your toothbrush and just brush your teeth like you normally would. That's what I really like about this, is it's not time consuming like other teeth whitening products. And believe me, I've tried other teeth whitening products over the years and those ones tend to take up time and effort. So I already like this much better because this is not time consuming. You just brush your teeth like you normally would. And the next product that I'm pulling out of the box is the Power Whitening Pen, and mine is in the flavor Vanilla Mint. So I'm just going to pull it out of the box here. And I like this too because it came with a teeth whitening chart so you can track your progress. But this is what the pen looks like. I'm just going to pop off the cap. So all you do after you brush your teeth is just twist the dial of this pen and that will push the gel onto the brush tip. Then all you do is just coat your teeth like this. And this is great too because this only takes about 45 to 60 seconds. So again, not time consuming at all. I've tried other teeth whitening products where it takes up to like half an hour or an hour to have something on your teeth, and I just don't want to mess with that, honestly. I'm like, no, I just want something quick, something that gets to the point, something that works, and I think this is it. I also really like this too because you're not messing with any trays or strips, like you're directly putting the gel right onto your teeth, so you can be more precise with this. I also like this too because when you use the gel, you don't have to rinse out your mouth. The gel slowly penetrates into your teeth and it's safe to ingest. Also, you can use this up to 4 times a day. I like to brush my teeth in the morning and at night and sometimes in the afternoon, so this is perfect. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you're looking for a teeth whitening product, I highly suggest smileactives because they make it so quick and easy to do. Getting whiter, brighter teeth really doesn't take any time with this kit. Definitely check it out. I'll put a link down below in the description bar, and definitely give this video a thumbs up and subscribe because I put out new videos every week. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day and I'll see you on the next one. Alright, bye!